Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name's Dandre Miskel, and I'm a new Collision Drumstick artist. A little bit about me: I've been playing drums for my whole life, about 23 years. I'll be 26 in a few days. So about 23 years. And within those 23 years, I've done a lot. Played with the Chicago Bulls drumline for about 5 years. Done countless musicals, played in countless churches, played for countless artists, done countless records. So many to name, honestly. What I love about these sticks is the fact that they are very durable, and because I am a person who does a lot and who plays very hard, I need a stick that can hold up to the beating, And these sticks definitely do the job. They haven't let me down yet. So in this next clip, I'll be playing Pop Life with the 1999 Legacy of Prince band that I tour with. This is a part of our solo section of the song. So, yeah, hope you enjoy, and looking forward to seeing you guys again.